Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change contact to supplier in Xero. This is something that many people had a problem with. So when I'm going to add a contact here, right? Let me show you. And I'll name it contact 222. This is demo company, so it doesn't matter. And I'm not going to change anything, right? Oh, like this one. Contact 222. This is the my company 222. Now I'll just click save. And as you can see, I was in suppliers tab, but it was still added to all. And as you can see, I got 22 suppliers and 55 all. So these are my company 222. As you can see, I can find it. When I click on suppliers, it's not there. Only 1, 2, 3 company, not 222. So what I'm going to do is this. You need to create a bill to have the company in suppliers. So we need to go to plus, click bill, from company 222, item, and approve. Now let's go back to contact and suppliers, and voila, here we got it. So suppliers 23, and when I'm going to add company right here, you can see we got a company 222, and this is how we can easily move contact to suppliers. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and that's pretty much it. So goodbye.